Y'all again. Nah, I'm just playing. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hard to Kill K, man. Back with another banger for y'all. And as y'all can tell by the title, man, I just moved back into another crib, man. So I'm finna get y'all a house tour, man. Finna get y'all as much content as possible. I keep saying this, I'm finna get back consistent for y'all. But this time, I'm for real. But I ain't gonna talk about it, I'm gonna do it. So to start off with, man, y'all see by the caption, man, I'm finna get y'all a tour of my new apartment, man. I got kicked out the last apartment. It's a long story. I might do a story time about this. So y'all stay tuned. Before we get into the video, man, y'all like, comment, and sub to the channel. Cause after this, I'm dropping nothing but bangers. This the new crib, y'all. Me casa, Sue casa. I'm finna, we finna start getting this content in here. 2026, I'm dropping banger after banger after banger. Y'all went crazy on the last video hooping with Glock. So hey, I'm finna give y'all this content, bro. And I'm finna really lock in and get consistent with y'all. And I'm done talking about it. I'm just gonna be about it. No cap. And yeah, pull in my boy Cash. My boy Cash got that. My boy Cash got that LA jersey on, man. Y'all know what's going on. We real. Wherever LeBron go, I go. Wherever LeBron go, Cash go. You feel me? And when he retire, we gone. We no longer NBA fans. Y'all see what his dog bowl sitting on, man. Come on, man. My puppy hard to kill. Oh damn, I just dropped water on the joint. But yeah, come on, man. We hard to kill, dog. Hard to kill Cash. No cap. Start off with, I'm gonna take y'all to the kitchen. I ain't doing too much cooking, man. Ain't touch your own wrist. You feel? But yeah, y'all don't kill me, but I stay downtown. So I don't do no cooking, bro. If I'm ever hungry, all I gotta do is, man, throw some clothes on, literally run downstairs. And we got everything you want downtown. Everything but a Waffle House, no cap. So don't even judge me for this, for what y'all finna see. Man. Well, at least we got water though. A lot of y'all ain't drinking no water. At least I got water. So hey, it ain't nothing in the freezer. Scary shit going on here. But boom, right outside the door. As soon as you walk in the door, man, we got the hard to kill Lego keychain holder right there. Boom. Throw your keys on there. Come in from the house. Get out work. Long day at work. Throw your keys on here. Boom. You know what I mean? Then boom, this the Lego set. Y'all are, if y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all see what's going on. All these Legos paid for by fans. So it's love, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all keep sending them Legos in. Okay, I'm gonna keep building for y'all on stream. But yeah, let me take y'all. Next thing I'll show y'all the bathroom right here.
Yo, what's up?
Y'all a little sneak peek of the bathroom. Boom, like I said, everything skeletons, bro. We got skeletons everywhere. You know, most niggas' houses, you know, they ain't got, you know, it ain't no decoration in here. I just moved in here. Rome wasn't built in a day. But you know, for a nigga, hey, this pretty good though. You know what I'm saying? You know, for a nigga, that's smooth though. Instead of going TV, man, we going projector. You know, I'm trying to switch it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So now, boom, we watching TV, you got the big boy projector. And boom, yo, it's the room, bro. Big. I'm gonna get y'all a sneak collection video soon. Real soon. In this new crib, I ain't want no old vibes, no old swag, no old fashion, none of that. So this closet basically empty. Just clothes I recently bought. All these shoes are shoes I just paid for since I've been here. So all of my fashion, everything new. But I get y'all a sneak peek, cause I'm gonna get y'all a closet reveal soon too. Walk-in closet, this young live. Y'all know Pops went to Memphis, so I got it real. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all a little closet tour soon. Show y'all the drip or whatever. I'm gonna give y'all a sneaker collection video soon too. And here we got the wash and dry right here. Okay. For you dirty ass niggas, y'all wash y'all clothes. Jacket closet, you know. This the only thing I brought from the old crib. My couch, knit rug right here. Everything else pretty much brand new. All in this mirror right here. Y'all done seen this mirror before. Y'all know what's going on. But yo, come over here. This is where the magic happen right here. This is where money get made right here. The stream set up. So while I'm streaming, bro, while I'm getting to it grinding, man, this is my motivation right there, man. You looking out the window, we see a bank. You know what I'm saying? That's the motivation. While I'm grinding, y'all wonder how I'm staying motivated. Cause I'm looking at the mirror right into the bank, bro. Like I do not see my haters. I never see my haters over there at the bank. So You know what I mean? So this one I'm on right there. Yeah, this hard to kill section. If you know, you know. We got the I just opened the website back up. So yeah, y'all go shop, man. Hardtokillforever.com, no cap. This is just some of the stuff that I got left over from the last drop. Got a few hats, pants, shit like that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned. Yeah, we got beanies. We got pants, man. H2K, man. Some of the fan art that they all made. Love y'all. All the walls blank right now. But like I said, man, Rome wasn't built in a day. So these just like the little things I got. I got one little portrait so far. And yeah, Rome wasn't built in a day, bro. The wall, a lot of the walls still white. But we finna keep it going. We finna keep putting art in here, more portraits. This is just the first video. I'm gonna give y'all another video in like 2-3 weeks when I get some more furniture, more art in here. And we gonna show y'all the update. Since I just toured the house with y'all, it's time to show y'all one of the best things here. I'm gonna take y'all to the patio, y'all. Patio hard as hell, so I'm gonna throw a little jacket on, and I'm gonna show y'all the patio, man, before we get up out of here. But man, if y'all still here, man, y'all like, comment, and sub to the channel, man. We on the road to 10K subs. 2026, we going crazy. If you still in here, man, y'all comment consistent killer. To get on any flow, you gotta scan your card first, then hit the button. So that's why I'm really not too worried about showing y'all the crib. I know how some of y'all coming in Memphis, bro. Cars and shit. It's cool though. They got plenty of protection. Gotta have a key to get on any flow of my crib. And y'all told y'all I was in the crib already. G-Lock. Oh God. So they just over here. That's the old apartment, chat. Y'all know, bro. If y'all seen the last house tour, y'all know, man. That's Gayoso right there. That's Van Vliet. That's my old apartment building, man. Fuck you. And that old lady who got me kicked out, fuck you. I'ma drop, matter of fact, I'ma drop the note she left on my door right here. They got me kicked out. So yeah, man, but look, like I said, the old lady got me kicked out, but we back and we gutter, man. So now you come up here with your coffee. Might come up here and get you a book. Like, man, I feel like reading. Like, you know what I'm saying? Come with a coffee, get you a little book. You know what I'm saying? Who my book in here? Steve Harvey, right? Come up here, read to Steve Harvey, man. Take him to Steve Harvey right outside right now. Think like man, I want to think like man and like get it about. So yeah. This shit right here is beautiful, man. This shit is beautiful, man. Can I see the bridge? I come out here and read a book, man. Yo. So yeah, we come up here to the patio. You got the turf. If you come up here, bring your food, eat. It's a little cold out here right now, so I wouldn't eat out here right now in this cold weather. But you come out here with your little jacket, bring your little date up here, right? And you can have s'mores. You feel me? S'mores, coffee. Bring you a hot chocolate up here, s'mores, and vibe. Chop it up. Boom, we got the Memphis breeze right here. Y'all come up here with me, man. Let's talk about it. Come on this side so they can see the breeze. Yeah, chat, but yeah, this the vibe. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like downtown, beautiful, bro. Like you feel like, man, we the top of the world. We on top of downtown right now. Yeah. So this is where y'all gonna see my motivational speeches right here. I'm gonna come up here and do my motivational speeches for y'all right in front of the breeze. So yeah, man. If y'all came this far, man, I appreciate y'all, man. Consistent, hard to kill K is here. We'll start dropping these bangers for y'all. If y'all still here, I love y'all, man. Hard to kill gang. We active, hard to kill back. The website is back up. Y'all go shop the brand. I love y'all. Man, y'all get out my crib, man.